Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. To create such kind of component, we will draw such kind of profile. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. So first go to create sketch, select this plane. Now draw a circle of 20 mm. Now draw one more circle of 38 mm. Now draw a circle of 34 mm. Draw one more circle of 64 mm. Draw a line between this and this. Press enter. Intersect with this. Intersect with this. Now from here we can see it is at a distance of 75 mm. So it should be of 75 mm. Now the next we have to draw these two circles of 55 mm and 43 mm. So select this 55 and one more circle of 43 mm. So now the next we have to draw one more circle of 64 mm radius. So just here we will draw a circle of 128 mm in this way. Similarly, we will draw one more circle of 128 mm here. Now select this constraint and this one and this one. Similarly, this and this and this. Now from here we'll select this trim command, trim this one and this one. So now you can see we have created this profile. After this we can use extrude command. Finish the sketch, go to home position. Now select this extrude command. First we will extrude this one and this 43 mm. So this is, and extrude it up to, let's say this is 30 mm. So just put here 30 and after this press OK. Now from here again this sketch, extrude this one up to 25 and press OK. And the next we have to extrude this one up to 30 mm. And the next extrude this one up to, from here we can see it is 50. So it is up to 15 mm. Press OK. Now the last, we will extrude this profile at an offset of this is 15. Symmetric, and from here we will select distance. That distance is 10 mm, so just put here 10. So from here we can see, sorry, just 5 mm, and press OK. So you can see we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image here. Now we will provide the appearance for that. Just select this appearance command. From here we will provide the appearance. So we have created the same object what we have seen in that image. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and kindly subscribe my channel. Telegram link also provided in the description box. Kindly join the Telegram.